Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe.
Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 9, the most confidential knowledge, Raja Vidya, Raja Guhya Yogam. Test 9. నచమాం తాని కర్మాణి నిబంధంతి ధనంజయ ఉదాసీనా వదాసీనామసక్తం తేషు కర్మసు. ఓ కాంకరర్ ఆఫ్ వెల్త్, none of these actions bind me. I remain like a neutral observer, ever detached from these actions. हे धनंजय, इन कर्मों में से कोई भी कर्म मुझे बंध नहीं सकता. मैं तटस्थ नियमक के रूप में रहता हूँ और इन कर्मों से विरक्त रहता हूँ. ఓ సిరి సంపదలను జయించేవాడా, ఈ కార్యములు ఏవి నన్ను బంధించలేవు. నేను ఒక తటస్థ పరిశీలకుడిగా ఈ కర్మలు ఏవి నన్ను అంటకుండా అనాసక్తతో ఉంటాను.
Practical applications. The Bhagavan again says he has given free will. It does not mean that he is independent, but he has always been the universe and busy in his eternal, blissful and spiritual activities, either in this universe and other parts of the universe. Although he appears to be away from the material world, but he is always aware of the minute things. He is like a judge doing lot of things and happen as per his order, like hanging, punishing and awarding, but still to be detached. He looks like independent but acts when it is needed. Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.